ProdCamp makes it easy to centralize vote feedback, feature proposal, and comments in your feedback inbox. One key benefit of vote feedback is that it comes structured and directly mapped to a feature ID or opportunity like here. So you spend less time processing and more time focusing on the why and how. Once you make a feature public on your roadmap like this, there are 3 ways users can vote it. First, directly on your public roadmap, accessible via a web page or a link within your app. Within your Intercom chat roadmap, using the native ProdCamp Intercom integration. Or from your Intercom chat again, where your team can this time capture feedback using the integration and upvoting a specific feature on behalf of a user like here. This setup ensures feedback flow directly to the product team with no data loss and no more playing telephones. Plus, anyone who upvotes is by default subscribed to an automated feedback loop, keeping users personally informed about progress on their suggestions, just like in this example here. Upvote will then become a big part of your key insight to understand if your current plans are on track and signals on which problem to prioritize next. We'll dive deeper into how Upvote and feedback can fuel roadmap prioritization in another video.